Hey everybody, it's Evan with Let's Do This, and today I'm going to do something I haven't done before. I'm going to use ground turkey to make turkey jerky. So I saw this at the store and I figured why not? 3 pounds for $12, $4 a pound for some jerky, and it's a 90-10, so I don't know how much shrinkage there'll be. We'll check a before and an after weight. Obviously it's a 3-pound chub, so I'll weigh it when we're done. So let's get to it. Really easy recipe. Something I've done before. So what I'm gonna do, just a half tablespoon of salt per pound. So half tablespoon per pound, so 3 half tablespoons, tablespoon and a half. There we go. And then half of that in sugar. So 1.5 half tablespoons. And then that's black pepper, boop, 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 boop. And then I really am liking this Everglades heat, and that's gonna be a majority of my seasoning this time around because I want it to be pretty hot, and I'm gonna make it even more hot by putting the red pepper flakes in it. This isn't gonna be one for the kids. This is gonna be something for myself. So here we go. I need to pop the top off this guy. And usually when you're making a snack stick, you want to mix it in really good, but this isn't a snack stick, this is jerky. This is gonna be a ground jerky. Like I said, I've never done this with ground turkey before, so this will be interesting. You want to get it wet so you can mix it up with your finger or spoon or whatever you want to mix it with. But as you can see, I just got home from work. I saw this at the store on my way home. You want it to marinate. You want it to soak in the spices for probably 6 hours before you try it in the dehydrator or smoker. I can't really roll up my sleeves, but I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix it in there. See, it soaks up that seasoning really well. So it doesn't matter how much water you want to put in there. It'll help more evenly distribute it with more water. But I'm going to go ahead and mix this for quite a few minutes. Probably have to speed it up when I'm editing. So here we go. No, just kidding. I didn't speed it up yet. Okay, one thing I'm looking at is I'm going to be making that into kind of patties or strips. When you're doing 3 pounds, this won't take very long. What I've done before is put sheets in, and I'll make big sheets of meat, and then once it's in the dehydrator for a few hours, I'll go in and cut strips. I think that way's been working really well for me. You can preform like this. Some people have a jerky machine. Some people have a jerky attachment for their grinder stuffer, so it comes out in chunks. But I've just been doing, you know, I'll do flat patties or something. Trying not to get my shirt in there. It's not worth it to go throw on a apron for 5 seconds of work. So you can always take the kid out of the meat shop, but you can't always take the meat shop out of the kid, right? When I'm at work, I'm thinking about what I'm going to be making at home and what fine videos I'm going to be making for you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe, because I sure do like making the videos. If you guys have fun watching them, quick hacks, how to make a lot of money, save a lot of money. Both those things are true on my channel. So let's get this in the dehydrator in about 6 hours. We're going to dehydrate it for about 6 hours, so it won't be ready till tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Well, not thanks for watching. I'll see you in a little bit. So this is the turkey jerky. The seasoning penetrated through. The texture is a little odd. I don't know how I can explain it, but it's just like, it's definitely not like beef. I don't know if it's too dry, but I did it the same amount of time I did beef. It's a 90-10 instead of a 20-80. So maybe that's the difference. But let's try one of these softer, thicker pieces. It's a little better than the thinner piece I tried, but not sure I would try ground turkey ever again. I have a lot to eat. I mean, it's edible. The seasoning's good. But yeah, it's I don't know, the consistency. It'd be better in a snack stick, I think. Put it into a collagen casing and done through. So gonna have to do a hard pass on the turkey tube jerky. So if you ever thought about doing it, don't. Talk to you later. Honest review. See you later. Like, subscribe, and share.